For this week's boiler tip, we're talking about pump recirculation lines. If we've got a pump delivering water to a boiler constantly, like in a modulating feed water situation, this pump's running all the time. Because it's running all the time, whether or not the boiler actually needs water, it has to have a way for water to pass through it. Because if we don't have water moving through the pump, it's going to overheat and be damaged. So frequently on modulating feed water systems, we'll have a recirculation line going back up to the tank. And all that's really doing is guaranteeing a minimum volume of water going through and back to the tank. This gate valve is really isolation for service only. That's not designed to be throttled to try to get the right amount of flow. Generally, there'll be an orifice within one of these piping sections that dictates that minimum required flow. So if you see this piping coming off your pump, it's tempting to close a valve, but leave that open. It's got an important job.